The holidays are here, and with the holidays in my house comes lots of house guests. See? Yeah. It's so good to see you. And since I have so many guests in my home for the holidays, I want to make sure they're all comfortable. So this season I'm trying out the NewAir portable ceramic space heater to help keep my guest rooms nice and cozy. I don't have enough bedrooms for all my guests, so I'm making my living room into a makeshift bedroom by putting up curtains in between the entranceway of the living room and the dining room. And a nice fluffy mattress pad on my sofa bed will make a comfy bed for my guests. But it seems like no matter what I set the thermostat temperature to, some of the rooms in my home are just always freezing. And since my mother's going to be using this room and she's always cold, I'm setting up the NewAir QuietHeat portable ceramic space heater in this room. It comes with easy to follow instructions for setting the temperature, setting the timer if you'd like it to turn off automatically, setting high or low fan speed, or to put it on eco mode so that it keeps the temperature between 64 and 75 degrees and it turns the fan on and off automatically to save energy. It even comes with a remote so you can control everything from across the room. And it has a tip over safety protection that will turn the unit off if it's knocked over. I really like this compact, sleek design with its easy to carry hidden handle on the back. It also has a removable, easy to clean filter. But the real test is to see how this performs tonight in the room with my mother, who's always complaining about being too cold.
Come in.
Good morning, Ma.
Hi.
So how'd you sleep?
Well, last night it was really good.
Were you warm enough?
So comfortable. Yes, I was. And that heater, I mean, it's no sound to the heater. You don't hear a sound, and it's so comfortable. I really was really warm in here with that heater. It's comfortable. So I recommend this heater to anybody.
Yeah, I have to get you one to take back with you.
Oh, great.
Well, good. It kept you nice and warm and toasty.
Yes, it did.
I see you have it on 77, nice and warm. Were you able to, you changed the setting?
Yeah, I have this remote, and I could set it to where I want it set.
So you don't have to get up.
That's right. Whenever you stand in a band, you can set this remote. It's
Great.
real great.
Great. I'm glad it worked out for you.
Yeah. Hi, Nels.
Hey, Nels. How do you think it feels in here?
Good.
Is it nice and comfortable?
Yeah.
My mom's got it nice and warm in here and cozy in Ian's room. Okay, let's get ready for our day. Since you're all nice and dressed and toasty.
Yeah. I'm ready. Come eat some breakfast.
Well, there you have it. The heater was a hit and super quiet, according to my mother. And she was very comfortable. And she is the expert at staying warm. So I will be sending a NewAir heater to her as a Christmas gift. And I'll be getting another one for my son's room that's over the garage and is always cold. And if you click on the link below and use the code Toni, T-O-N-I, you can get the NewAir QuietHeat15 portable ceramic heater for 20% off. Happy holidays and stay warm. Follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, and Snapchat at Your Hustle Home and Your Hustle Home TV for daily home, food, and gardening tips.